Hello guys, welcome back to Fix Genius. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your files into a single compressed or zip folder. To do this, first create a new folder anywhere. I'm doing it here on the desktop. Next, copy all the files you want to include in the zip file into this folder. Once all your files are inside the folder, select them all by using your mouse, or you can press Ctrl plus All on your keyboard, especially if there are too many files. Now right click on the selected files. From the options that appear, go to Send to and then click on Compressed Zip folder. You will now see a zip folder created in the same location. You can rename this folder to anything you like, and that's it. Your zip file is ready. Now many people know how to unzip or extract it, but not everyone knows how to unzip or extract them. So if you are one of them, continue watching. To extract a zip file, just right click on the zip folder and select Extract All. You can also change the name of the extracted folder or even choose a different location to extract it. If you don't change the location, it will be extracted to the default path. For example, since my zip files on the desktop, the extracted folder will also appear on the desktop by default. Once you click Extract, your files will be unzipped and ready to use. If you found these simple steps helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. See you in the next video.